The Germans will absolutely cancel me for cooking Nudelauflauf this way. I might need a shield and a sword just to go grocery shopping. This version became one of our favorite family dinners after the Max was born. It's quite comforting and the oven basically does all the work for you. Traditionally, German noodle bake starts with boiling the pasta separately. But today, I am skipping the entire step. I will be using uncooked pasta, so please bear with me. After the short prep step that involves chopping the onions and cutting meat into cubes, you are ready to assemble the dish. Into a casserole dish goes beef broth, cream, mustard, majoram, paprika and salt. Give everything a good whisk. Now add the dry pasta directly into the sauce. Remember to make sure that the noodles are fully submerged. Short pasta shapes, like for example penne, works best here. Now we're gonna scatter the onions, sausage, peas and cheese. For meat choice, I am using Bologna sausage. Germans traditionally use cooked ham, but the smoky flavor of a Bologna is just unreplaceable. It gives the whole dish deeper and richer flavor. So don't crucify me for this. For this dish, I like combining one mild cheese and one strong one. For example, Gouda or Emmental pairs perfectly with Gruyere or Parmesan. This combination gives you not only flavor, but also the creamy texture. Now cover the casserole tightly with foil. This is very important. The steam trapped inside the dish, this is what properly cooks the noodles. Without it, the top dries out before the pasta finishes cooking. Be careful with the dish, it is really heavy. And by the way, if you enjoy traditional food with a realistic modern shortcuts, subscribe to the channel. I post new German recipes every week, from traditional dishes to regional classics that even people in Germany doesn't know. After 20 minutes, I will give everything one good stir. That's the secret step. This helps all the noodles cook evenly. Now back to the oven, uncovered, with extra cheese on the top. Look at this. And now the worst part, waiting. I will let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes and then we will dig in. The casserole is nice and firm. I wonder how creamy it is. Oh my goodness, waiting for food is so hard. And in the meanwhile, let me know what is your favorite casserole dish. Creamy sauce, golden cheese, soft noodles, and smoky sausage. I usually serve this with a German side salad because the casserole itself is already very rich, but you can skip the side dish altogether. And now I'm thinking pickles would also go pretty well with it. So yes, traditional German noodle bake might not be made the same way. But well, next generation tweaks the recipe a bit and we ended up making it easier for the future generation. If you enjoyed this casserole video, you must absolutely watch my German casserole collection. I'll show you more cozy German oven dishes for a weekdays. Just click here. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Trademark is back. And stay tuned this week, because this week we will be finishing our talk about spätzle and moving on to the casseroles.